question to you, Mujahid. How was this session? How was this session? Tell me.
Shabir, your voice has started fumbling. I mean, there's some disturbance.
Okay, let me ask this again. Can you see me writing here?
Yes, how was the session? Session was absolutely great. It was very much informative.
And informative. Okay. Now, can you tell me 3 things that you grasped from this session?
Well, definitely how we can generate multiple streams of income. That's first thing. And second thing is how you should know. The reason why I'm going backwards is that's the latest one. And the second thing is how you need to strategically plan your progressive growth.
Okay. And the third thing
is if you don't have a proper roadmap.
Sorry, your voice went off.
I'm sorry, there is a flight going beside and it's very difficult to
scale up in this. How to create that? How to create that roadmap? Okay, roadmap. Okay. So thank you for giving me this feedback